Today, I'm gonna show how to hide and unhide drive on Windows operating system with CMD. Step 1. We are trying to hide this drive. Open CMD and type disk part, then press enter. We'll see a new window. Then, type list vol, it's mean the volume list on your computer. Press enter, we will see the list of volume. Then, type select vol and select which number volume you want to hide and press enter. It's show this volume has been selected. Then, type remove letter and type the volume letter, press enter. It will be successful to hide your drive. Type exit and enter to exit this program. Finally, your drive successfully hidden. Step 2. We are trying to unhide this drive. Open command promote and type disk part, then press enter. Type list vol and press enter. Now, we should select this volume which are we hidden. Type assign letter and type the letter of this volume and press enter. Finally, we unhide this drive. Thanks for watching.